Open the gate!
Mac, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Sage, come help me.
Woo! It is so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Just your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt. How'd you come by this?
I've been to Dryland.
Dryland is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on Dryland, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and his smoker are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battlestations! Helen, get to the tower. Get on my water cannon. Max, get on the other water cannon. That's it. Get over the armory. Go walk up the gate. Seaplane. I hear a seaplane. Max!
Incoming from the south!
Breaching the wall.
Smokers in the gate!
Hey, who's got that golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. The gentleman has got my golf ball. No, it's okay. We might actually need these people. Bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Hey! Deacon! Did you hear all that? We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Somebody shut him up.
Nobody shuts us up, Deacon.
Shut up. What was that? Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. And he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Dry land! We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. And sweet jar of God, we're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon! I won't let you. And neither will the mariner.
The mariner. Shut! Shut that gate. Don't swim, you idiot. Use the wheel. Are you talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend. The guy that poked out my eye.
Yeah! Is that what you're talking about, huh?
Bring me the girl. Good to be here. Hi. May I offer you some? Wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't do that. Wow. You like games, don't you?
I love games.
I'm talking to her. Guys, what have you got up there?
We got an 8-hour! And he's got dirt!
Dirt. How about that? Well, I need to know the way to dry land!
Right, man!
So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone! He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
And this guy, the loser! Drop it!
No!
Oh, yeah, that one hurt, didn't it? You're gonna tell me where dry land is, or you will be next.
Jet gear approaching at high speed!
Excuse me, just a moment. What'd you just shoot him, Chuck?
He's gone!
Gone? What does that mean,
He's gone
gone?
under the water!
It's him! The mariner's under the water. Somebody shoot him! Get that girl for me! Where you going, Ricky? Yeah, the mariner's trying to be here. I can see him. I've got one eye. Right there. Vernon! Listen, I'd like you to take this guy's head and remove it from his body. Take that head off. He's got guns, he's got water, he's kicking hard butts. What are you doing with a fish boy? He's not your kind. Actually, he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet this longer. That was fun. Jackie! Runner! Not the girl! We need the girl! Go on, what's your move?
It's down!
Find me another way. genuinely starting to annoy me. You're not gonna ruin my plans to dry land, you kill net, you take it free. That's how you are. He's afraid of me. Give me a weapon, will ya? Weapon!
Hey, boss! How about this?
Oh. Did that hurt? Good. Come on. Let's go, fish boy. Me and you. Man against fish.
No! Hey! You've got something on your face! Yours! Mariner! I think we got him!
Helen! You had something on your back. Why is he still alive? I'll let him dead, alright? Get up top and get that soup plate back in here. Have him blast everything in Kingdom Come. I'll take care of a freak. Small in the freak. Shut up, please. Stop, Ricky! Sorry, my bad. I need something bigger. Whoa! Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy! Look what I found. Big Bertha. I sliced it, didn't I? Kid, it's been a minute. Will you do me a favor up there and stand in one spot? You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I never liked Chuck.
Mariner! Mariner!
Winner! Thank you. Golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Get up. Come on. Somebody signal my seaplane! Come on! How do you like that? I think all of my men are dead. Yeah, your boyfriend is dead too. Climb that ladder. Climb it! I've got a brand new vision! Pilgrimage for two to dry land. Probably me and you, Helen. Just think of the two of us, savoring the soup plate of dry land. That works. Why don't you just show me the way? Go past, we're gonna play me guys. Come on, fish boy. Let's go. Let's decide the fate of the new world. Because I'm on man or fish.
Mariner! I'll get the boat!
No, you won't. You're not going anywhere, Helen. Not with a big hole in your boat. Guys! No! You hit my plane! Help!
Is that real?
Well, you crashed my plane. Nevertheless, I got your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? Well, I don't think so. Because you don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of WATERWORLD, celebrate the birth of a new nation! Dry land is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? No! Helen! And you! I'm taking you with me!
is WATERWORLD.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of WATERWORLD. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you might recognize some of our performers from their work in film and television. From The Forever Purge, Ricky Fiorello. From Criminal, Shay Kennedy. From Motion Picture Jaeger, Emerson Key. From NCIS Origins, Yayo Kivas. From Beverly Hills Cop 4, Joey Wilson. And doing that incredible 45-foot fire dive from the Grand Tour, Robert Bradson. And here come our heroes from Marvel's Runaways, Hannah Bible. And from Hot Water, Brian Combs. From 911, my name is Greg Dahl. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios Hollywood.
We hope you've enjoyed this performance of WATERWORLD. If you are enjoying your stay here at Universal Studios